Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Amillex Daily Market Commentary. I am your Amillex virtual reporter. On January 26, 2026, global financial markets were shaken by a fresh wave of macro and geopolitical uncertainty. U.S. equities traded within a narrow range near record highs, as investors remained cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve's first policy meeting of the year. The U.S. dollar index hovered with only modest fluctuations, reflecting institutional hesitation as investors wait for clearer macro direction. However, the biggest shock this week did not come from economic data, but from geopolitics. Over the weekend, the U.S. government issued an unusually aggressive threat of imposing 100% tariffs on Canada, responding to Canada's recent trade engagement with China. As a result, safe haven demand surged. Gold not only extended last week's powerful rally, but decisively broke above the historic $5,000 level. Turning to equities, the Dow Jones hovered around 49,120, entering a phase of tight consolidation after last week's rebound. Moreover, the S&P 500 remained capped near 6,892, as energy stocks gained support from geopolitical tensions, while broader sentiment stayed constrained by super-weak macro risks. The Nasdaq showed mixed performance, as AI-driven demand provided structural support. In the FX market, the dollar stabilized near 97.20, while EUR/USD remained under pressure from dovish ECB rhetoric. USD/JPY eased slightly as risk sentiment steadied. Meanwhile, XAUUSD extended last week's strong rally and decisively broke above the historic $5,000 level, reaching highs near 5,050. XAGUSD also remained firm around 106, holding well above the psychological 100 level. Furthermore, XTIUSD hovered near $61.20 per barrel. Although geopolitical tensions offered some support, prices remain capped by downward revisions to global demand expectations. Turning to crypto assets, BTCUSD slipped below 90,000 and is now stabilizing near the 85,000 support zone. ETHUSD fell below the key 3,000 level and continues to underperform, reflecting a broader reduction in risk exposure. Looking ahead, markets will focus on Germany's IFO Business Climate Index and U.S. durable goods orders. These releases may further shape expectations around global growth. Thanks for watching.